Namaste for each and everyone. I am Hanita from Chirala Prakasam district. I am Pyramid Spiritual Society Movement Master. I am doing meditation from 13 years. With my experience, I am going to tell you about meditation. I think so. Meditation is only the way for solving problems and also to build what we was and also what we want to be. I think so. And not only thinking, my experience is also that only. Meditation is ultimate gift given by God to mankind. How to do meditation? What we will gain by meditation? We have to know. How to do is we have to close our eyes. We have to keep our hand in hands and also cross your legs. Closing your eyes gives you 80% of energy, and keeping your hand in hand gives you 10% of energy, and also crossing the legs gain 10% of energy. If we do 1 hour meditation, we will get 1 hour energy, and also this energy helps us to do any work, anything, because we are giving rest to our brain, we are giving rest to our body parts, everything. If you give rest to thinking, your brain will also take rest. Likewise, if our brain take rest, our body parts also relax. For that relaxation, we will gain energy, and also we are having cells in our body. No, those cells will split and they will die naturally, and also so many will produce for 1 minute in lakhs of counting. If we are doing meditation, these cells will have life for 3 days. So increasing of energy, increasing of life we can gain through meditation. Just we have to observe our breath. That's all. No thoughts. If you are having thoughts coming in your meditation, let it be. It's not a problem. Let them come, let them go. Just observe your breath. If we observe our breath, so many things will done in our body, like whatever we have to know in our life, or if we want to get health in our life, whatever may be, it will be given by our breath only. So Dr. Pitamaha Brahmarshi Patriji will say, your breath is your guru. No other guru can give like breath, isn't it? So friends, observe your breath. While we are observing our breath, your body inner side will be very happy. There is one Kohiner Vajranom, that is Atma. That one only soul. Your soul will be very happy. For soul, meditation is food. For body, food is food. What we will take inner side by our mouth. So, through meditation, we are giving food to our soul. So, we have to do meditation for every day 2 times. If you are 60 years, 60 minutes. If you are 50 years, 50 minutes. Twice a day we have to do. Before meditation, after meditation, you have to take 1 glass of water. Your body must be very relaxed. Whatever you wear and also whatever and where you can want, you can sit. But your body must be in relaxation position. If you won't make your body relax, your mind will be disturbed. If our body is in relaxation position, we can do happily meditation. So friends, this is the process to do meditation. If we do meditation, the changes in our life, the changes in our world, always everything change in our life we can identify before the meditation, after the meditation. Do meditation, make meditation. This is ultimate service to the nature and universal. One great thing we have to know is while we are doing meditation, we may get colors or messages from masters, and also we can see the masters, gods, whatever you want, we can visualize through your Agna Chakra that will be in between your two eyebrows. Maybe it must be not compulsory to each and everyone. And also, you will listen beautiful music from your body only, and also Omkaram from your body. The sounds, the pleasant messages from your soul, from masters, you will get while you are doing meditation. And also, so many things will form in meditation through your body. You have to observe what was going on in your body while you are observing your breath. So, friends, do meditation, make others meditation. It is a golden chance to each and every human body doing meditation. Thank you very much.